Why is this balloon not getting busted in contact with fire? Let us find out the science behind it. Hi guys, welcome to my channel, The Experimental Duo. In today's video, I am going to be experimenting the experiment fireproof balloon. We know that balloons are made up of rubber and are fragile. The balloon, when it comes contact with fire, burns. Fire can weaken the rubber and cause it to burst. Water is a substance with high heat capacity. It acts against fire and helps from catching fire. Let us now have a look at the fireproof balloon experiment. Let us begin. When an air-filled balloon is placed over a flame, it bursts. When a water-filled balloon is placed over a flame, it does not burst. Why do air-filled balloons burst? The rubber of the balloon, in the absence of water, gets so hot when in contact with fire and becomes too big to resist the pressure of the air inside the balloon. Hence, the balloon bursts with a bang. Why do water filled balloons not burst? When the balloon is filled with water, the water absorbs maximum heat from the flame. The rubber does not get very hot, and hence the balloon doesn't burst. It takes plenty of heat to change the temperature of the water. Water is particularly good absorber of heat. It takes a lot of heat to change the temperature of water. It takes 10 times as much heat to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water by 1 coulomb than it does to raise the temperature of 1 gram of iron by the same amount. This is why it takes so long to bring a tea kettle of water to the boil. On the other hand, when water cools, it produces a great deal of heat. This is why areas near oceans or other large bodies of water do not get as cold in winter as areas at the same latitude further inland. Fireproof balloon experiment applications. The water absorbing polymer foam used in the baby diapers, super absorbent polymer that works based on the experiment. Super absorbent polymer foams are used as a protective layer at homes from catching fire. Even the human body uses sweat as a protective layer during exercise or physical activities in order to regulate body temperature. Look, I have filled the balloon with water. So you can see that the balloon filled with water is not getting busted. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked my video, then please subscribe to my channel and support me.